Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're diving into a kitchen classic debate, butter versus margarine. These two staples have long been at the heart of culinary creations, but which is better for your health and cooking needs? Let's explore the fascinating chemistry behind them. Both butter and margarine are emulsions, meaning they consist of tiny water droplets dispersed in a fat matrix. This matrix is primarily made of triglycerides, the main form of fat in our diets. Butter is rich in saturated fatty acids, which gives it a firmer texture and unique melting properties at various temperatures. On the other hand, margarine primarily contains unsaturated fatty acids derived from plant oils. These have a more irregular molecular structure due to double bonds between carbon atoms, leading to a different melting behavior compared to butter. The journey of butter begins with churning cream until the fat globules break apart into solid butter grains, which are then kneaded together. Sometimes, lactic acid bacteria are added to create cultured butter, offering a distinct flavor. Margarine starts as liquid plant oils that are transformed into a solid state through a process called interesterification. This rearranges the fatty acids without adding saturated fats or creating trans fats, making margarine more stable for baking. Butter's golden hue comes from beta-carotene found in the grass cows eat. Margarine, naturally colorless, often gets a similar hue through added synthetic beta-carotene. To mimic butter's flavor, compounds like diacetyl are added to margarine. When heated, butter's proteins and lactose create a brown color and caramel-like flavor, perfect for giving baked goods a toasty taste. Margarine lacks lactose, so it doesn't quite achieve the same browning effect or flavor. In baking, butter's water content generates steam, helping dough layers separate for a flaky texture. While margarine might not excel at this, it offers greater stability and controlled melting, which can be advantageous in certain recipes. Ultimately, choosing between butter and margarine depends on your cooking goals and health considerations. Butter provides unmatched flavor and texture, while margarine is lower in saturated fats and offers stability. Understanding their chemistry and characteristics can guide you in making the best choice for your kitchen and health. Subscribe to Science Hub for more intriguing insights into the world of science.